Hello guys, we are preparing now to trade with my new strategy number 5. Here we are going to enter the trade on M5 GBP USD in 30 seconds, and already we have one trade here with USD Swiss franc. At the moment we are in small money profit. So this is my new strategy number 5, and at the open of the next candle we'll enter the trade. So in 5-6 seconds, that's it. We'll put stop loss about 10 pips and take profit also about $500. So this would be our trade. So this is my strategy number 5. I explained many times everything about it, except here I cannot give you the rules, how, when, why to open the trade, because it is my secret private strategy. Only what I can tell you, if you are using it on, let's say, 5-minute time frame, even 15-minute time frame, you can make a lot of money, because you see, you will have at each pair on M5, even 15-minute time frame, minimum 5 plus trades per day. You see here, USD Swiss franc, already in last few hours we have 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, and still even the New York session is not open, and we'll have at least few, maybe 4, maybe 5, 6 new trades with trading in the New York session, which will be open in 40 minutes. We are still trading now in American or in European session. Here we are in the in the money. Second trade open. We are not in the money at the moment. I stress at the moment, because we took trade according to the rules, and I'm pretty sure, not maybe, in few minutes, like here, you see, also we need 3-4 candles to go in profit. So as I always repeating, saying here, patience is very important part of this game, of trading game. So be patient, wait. If you have a good strategy, like this is one, just strictly follow the rules and wait. And wait, you see, even here we can exit. We are in the money, why not? But we'll wait. Also we'll wait for this one to activate in our direction. You see, we have 45% trend up, bullish general trend. You see, it is 55, and as higher this is, it is better. So if you go to my web page, you will see at the first place, you click home, and you will see this is my latest strategy number 5. With this strategy there is no indicators, anything. You just learn to trade. You will learn, and if you really want, you will master it. And then, guys, believe me, you can trade as a pro. There is no reason that you cannot trade as a pro here. You can be your own boss. You can trade anywhere, anytime you like, and make, I would say, not hundreds, even thousands of dollars every day. Okay, in the beginning, guys, you will trade with low risk, but after you master it on 5 minutes, so you see this is profit about 8, 9, 10 pips, and then you exit. After you make this, you exit. You see also that this trade, I said, be patient, and it is finally reaching up, going up. So to continue, this strategy, number 5, is so simple that even not new, but very, very new, if you start to trade today, you can learn it. After you learn it, and how you will learn it, you will get training video, and you will get this template, everything, plus training video with all rules, examples, instructions. So you will learn very easy. You will watch even if you need 10 times the video, but you will learn. After that, guys, please go open demo account and practice this strategy maybe few weeks, or even if you have time, you can trade, you can make, I don't know, 20, 30, 40, 50 trades, and you will see how it goes, and then go live, not before. Also, the new thing here is, this is only a possibility. You have opportunity if you want to learn more, if you want to master it, this strategy, quicker, to be more confident, and to be more accurate. You can apply here for coaching one-to-one with me. Then I will personally teach you, help you. We'll trade together, few trades live, for live money, real money if you want. And then after that, guys, you really can go to market and make money. The bad thing is that I cannot accept more than 2 people per week. So next 10 days I'm occupied. So if you wanna apply here and learn, be quick, so I can make a date for you when we can meet and trade. And you can learn with me, you can see in live with my tradings, advices, everything. If you want to learn, this is your opportunity. Maybe I will keep this maximum or few weeks until the end of August, not after. And after the, I think, 31st of August, this strategy will be removed from here. Yes, as all other previous number 1, 2, 3, 4 turbo third candle strategy, you see, they are not here anymore, and you cannot buy them anymore. Even if you offer, I don't know how much money, you cannot get it anymore. So this one also, I think it will be here more 3 weeks, and then it is end of selling. So it is up to you. Today, still this is fighting here, but I'm still very confident that we'll make money here. So we have to wait more, maybe 10 minutes or so. We will not wait here. I will pause the video, but before I am pausing the video, and later will come to see the result, I can only say today only for first 3 people, only 159. Only 159. the condition is that you are a subscriber of my web page. So if you are not subscriber, subscribe here, then send me email and you save 100 euro. So you can get it for 159. This is my promo offer for today. Be quick, because only first 3 can get it. So now I will pause the video and then we'll see what is happening with our trading. Oh, we won this trade, you see, but I think we lost this one. Oh, both are going fantastically. You see, can you see this, guys? This moved down very quickly. No, we haven't lost it. And this moved up. So it is, guys, really fantastic. We entered, I think, here. And this is insane how it goes. So, guys, it would be all. See you next time. Bye bye.